My name is Dakota Hill, and I am a CNC machinist. My job is to take the tools that are in the machine when a job is done and replace them with the new tools that are going in to run the new job. Sometimes getting a part off for the first time is kind of like a puzzle, and you have to find all the quirks with it and the quirks that the machine are doing that's causing the problems that you're seeing. And it's sometimes the hardest part of the job, but sometimes it's the most satisfying because you get to accomplish something and use brain power and just kind of piece together what is all off with the part. And as a setup person, that's kind of my job to make sure that the people who are going to be operating it after me don't have to deal with any of those issues. Should be smooth sailing once I'm done with the machine, and should just be natural for somebody to come in and pick up where I've left off. So some of my favorite memories are just tearing apart machines and trying to figure out the inner workings of them and placing them all back together and seeing the product of that and seeing the machine run better than it did before I had taken over it that day. Really, I knew what TFT has been doing for a long time, and after working in a lot of different shops and working on a lot of different things, I found that this place really serves a purpose. Saving lives and protecting property. I think that's one of the most noble goals that a company could try to achieve. And then the people make me really proud. It's really nice to have a work environment where everybody is on the same page and has a common goal to succeed.